Hello, in this video we will learn how to install GCD kit for plotting geochemical diagram. Okay, first of all you want to keep in mind that you need a stable internet connection for the proper functioning of this installation procedure. Okay, first of all open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Here type gcdkit.org and click on download. Here you can see the table of the different GCD kit version. Here the 6.0 is the latest version. Here we are going to install the 6.0 version. Okay, and you can see the different version from 2.3 to 6.0. If the 6 if the latest version is not working, you can try installing this version. Okay, first of all, another thing for keep in mind is that this R is a package that run in R language. Okay, the GCD kit is a package that run in R language. So first of all, we want to download this R software also. So let's click on here and it will get to a new page and click download R 3.64 for Windows. Click on that. It will start to download. Then come back and click on the GCD kit 6.0 option. Download it. And actually I downloaded it already, so no need to download it again. Then after downloading, you can also download one more thing. Let's go to documentation. Here click on the detailed installation description for Windows. Click download and save it on your desired file, desired location. Okay, go back to the uh, download location. So this is the file. This is the file so far we downloaded. Okay, so this is 3.6.0. This is our language, and this is our GCD kit. So first install this R. So double click on it. Click yes. English. Next. Next. And here they're asking which bit you want to install, 64-bit version or 32-bit. Actually I prefer 32-bit, and also I recommend you to tick on 32-bit and you can untick 64-bit. Okay, so click next and next and click on create a desktop shortcut so that we get a shortcut in desktop. So click next and start to install. So it will take few seconds to install, so wait for that. So it's got installed. So finish. So see, we got a shortcut for R. Later again come back to the download location for our file, and here you can see the file, that zipped file GCD kit 6.0. So it is a compressed file, so we want to unzip it. You can unzip using any software or click on this extract all button, extract, so that the file is extracted here. That this is the file that we extracted. So just open it, and here you can see a file, file install.r, compile, GCD kit shortcut, everything you can see here. And later again open the R console. Okay, and open this download location also, and click on the install.r file. Later first click and then drag it onto the R console. Then later we get a dialog box, so keep clicking OK, agree, yes. And here they are asking for libraries to be installed. So GCD is already got tick, then we want to tick all. Just select all, click install. And here the next step, we want to select a CRAN mirror. So the select a CRAN country that nearest to your country. Okay, here I am from India, so I am selecting China. Okay, you should select your nearby country. Click OK. The next step, some files that we selected will start to download. For downloading, Downloading, you need a stable internet connection. So you can see the libraries are downloading. Wait for complete downloading. Here our file got downloaded, and usually after downloading we get a shortcut. Automatically a shortcut will be generated here, but the system couldn't create a shortcut. But no worry, we can do it manually. So click OK and OK, save. And here we got a congratulations message. Okay, click OK. Okay, later automatically here we get a shortcut for GCDKit. Then after clicking on that, we can open our GCDKit. Okay, but here it is not created. So go to our download location where we unzipped our download file. Okay, you can see here you can see the GCDKit 6.0 in R3.6.0 option. This is a shortcut for GCDKit. So you just right click on here and click on send it to, and then desktop create shortcut. Click on that. Then we can see that here the shortcut is created. Then click on that shortcut, and it is started to loading. And after loading, if you see the GCDKit in a red font, that means this installation is got successful. And later you can go to the GCDKit option, and here you can load your file from Excel, and you can plot your diagrams. And there is two other way for loading GCDKit. I will explain that. Just open the R console. Here go to this package option, and here package, go to load package. Then here you can select the GCDKit. Click after selecting it, click OK. And the GCDKit is loaded. Another way is that open R console, then type library all in small letter, and open the bracket, then type GCD in capital, then kit, GCDKit, later close the bracket, then hit enter. See, here we got GCDKit, and later we can plot our diagrams after loading the file. Okay, so this is all about this video. And if you feel any problem, you can text me on WhatsApp, and you can connect me on LinkedIn.